Okay, so we're gonna go down this road a little bit, and then we'll just kind of show you some other stuff as well. There's some alleys around here as well, and we kind of get right into dust time right now. A little traffic down there. See what happens. So, anyways, we're gonna go check it all out. Let's go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so we're not too far from San Malo, so we're just gonna go down this kind of busy street here and show you what's around here at this time. And you got black and white tile floors, and this is kind of a busy commercial district, but lots of apartments and alleys too, so there's some kind of cool architecture like that. It's amazing. Then you got some alleys too. Got lots of little alleys like that. There's that goes into San Malo. Cabeza dos Seriano. And yeah, another little alley like this too. Lots of cool stuff like this building right there. And then some stuff in here too. We also have some stuff like that as well. Cabeza dos Bocos. So we're just gonna go down a little bit more to this area. Kind of interesting. So we're at 1 minute 20 seconds, so we'll just go down a little ways. Traditional medicine shop, looks like that. There's some older equipment too. Scaling. Okay. It's kind of similar. Phones. Check out this building too. That building's kind of cool right there. Don't know the history of that one. Got these little alleys, Beco de Caixas. Bakery over there. Little Chinese medicine. Another one. Got another alley as well. So the alley's always got all kinds of cool stuff in them. This looks like it'd be lit up at night, which would look kind of cool as well. Okay. Let's see what the name of the street is. So we're gonna come out to the end here in a minute. Got San Malo is over that way. Senado Square area. Walk down a little bit further until we get to the end of the street. Got some scaffolding up above. Layers of it. Then we come out to the main street right here. And then you can see more black and white tiles that go all the way down to the Pont 16. And they also go all the way down to, this is called Rua dos Mercadores, Street of the Merchants. So Street of the Merchants. So Mercadores, I believe, is merchants, I believe. So we're gonna head on down this way. Sometimes if you go down the opposite side of the street, or the same street, it'll look totally different as you go the other direction, right? Like, I don't think I would have noticed quite this little thing right there. It's all this kind of construction in that space, empty lot. Rua dos Mercadores. So there's some merchant stuff there. Look at that lighting. That green and yellow building, and that light right now is kind of interesting. Yeah, now you can see the neon lights. That'll light up, the whole thing will light up in a little bit. The sun is just starting to go down. Get some meat right here. Looks like a pretty cool shop. You got these little side streets like that. And scales for, they got candy and things like that. Okay, so this is Rua dos Mercadores. Here's a supermarket that way. Another phone shop. And we got this kind of nice building right in there too. And I think we're going to that's Rua dos Mercadores, Pacific Age. So I think what we'll do is just walk into, show you how this connects. There's a kind of cool little car right there. So this kind of has Mercadores and it has all this kind of stuff all the way down. And more merchant kind of stuff here. There's a red market right there, things like that. I'm just gonna go all the way down so you can see how this is all connected to everything. So right in here is what's the name of that? São Domingos. It's also kind of the greater Senado Square area as well. Now we're at São Domingos. Today is Sunday, so there's like quite a few people around today. And we're gonna point towards Senado Square. So there's Senado Square down that way. There goes São Domingos all the way down. So that whole area is all São Domingos, Senado Square, and then this is all São Domingos. So that's the street that we were just on. So that's that building that we're at, and that one right down that way, São Domingos and Senado Square. And they played live music down that way as well. So so we were basically at a street that was parallel to this street. I'm just gonna pause in a minute here. And we'll pause right there. Chiquinha, chiquinha.